When I think of LESCO, I think of pride, and I think of loyalty, and I think of integrity.
Dependable.
Equipment.
Turf fertilizer line.
Carbon Pro G.
Golf.
Longevity.
Quality, consistency, and value.
I think of innovation.
Heritage. Golf.
Durability.
When I think of LESCO, I think of quality.
Integrity and performance.
My favorite color is green. That's why I'm in this industry.
LESCO provides everything that you need for your lawn maintenance.
The LESCO brand has really evolved in the last several years. It's got an incredible heritage.
When you say LESCO, pretty much everyone in the industry knows what you mean, and they know that you're talking about high quality products.
The products that we sell are the separators. I mean, we pride ourselves on the quality of material that we produce and that we sell to our customers.
Whatever the issue of today's superintendents and today's LCOs, LESCO's got a solution.
So LESCO is a company that started in 1962 and over a course of 60 years had built different fertilizers and chemistries, whether they be herbicides, insecticides, fungicides, with one thing and one thing only: to think about the quality and the end user and how is that product going to be able to be accepted in the marketplace for the performance and the things that the customers are looking to do. And that is to ultimately have a high quality turf grass.
LESCO's been around longer than any other brand in this segment. Turned 60 years old this year, and we're here for 60 years because we've been innovative and we've had great products, and we stand behind our products, and we get great results with our products.
There's a legacy that goes along with the LESCO name.
This LESCO brand is something you can trust, you can count on. We stand behind it.
The LESCO name has been around a long time. There's a lot of pride in this product, and when people see that name, they get a certain type of feelings. It's a feeling that you have the best product on your lawn. It's a feeling that you can go into the weekend confident that your place is going to outperform your neighbor's place and you're going to be the talk of the town or the talk of the HOA. I get compliments on my lawn all the time using LESCO Opti 180 and NOS Plus products. And so, people knocking on my door saying, hey, what did you do to that lawn?
Do you have the best looking yard in your neighborhood? And of course they're going to say no. And when I say no, say, so that's because you're not using LESCO yet.
Thinking about LESCO, and we sell it over at SiteOne, we're not just selling fertilizers. What we're selling is a memory or an experience. Think about it, when you're putting down the fertilizer to grow the grass, you're growing somewhere for your family to play and to grow memories.
Being with SiteOne, we're a full line distributor of carrying all the needs that somebody has from lighting to irrigation to drainage. But with that LESCO branding in our agronomics in the maintenance business, we are the leaders.
Even when I was on the other side competing, I always used a LESCO brand spreader for my calibration classes to make sure the customer had the correct end user experience with that brand.
If you're watching a baseball game on TV or a football game on TV, that most of those stadiums and superintendents or field guys are using the LESCO product to make their turf look the best and have the best industry standard behind the LESCO name.
LESCO changed the golf industry because we developed the store on wheels that would visit individual golf courses on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. We made product recommendations based on data, and we also consulted with superintendents as well as delivered product to them.
My favorite LESCO product, and the first one that comes to mind, is definitely 1824-12 starter.
The LESCO brand spreader.
Chlorothalonil is the active ingredient. It's a fungicide.
My favorite LESCO product is a product line, and it's the fertilizer line. Our Opti 180 products.
The LESCO Pro Air 36 with seed box. Not only aerate a lawn, but also put down seed in the most economically way possible.
But there is a long lineage of innovation that goes behind LESCO brand, and we're going to bring a lot of that back to life, and it's going to be in a plethora of launches that are coming up over the next several years.
Within the past couple of years, there's certainly been a reinvigoration and a growth. Not only do we have products that have been around for a while, but we continue to add products to our portfolio, and we're constantly on the cutting edge of new innovations.
The great thing about LESCO is we're always looking for new innovative products like our new Carbon Pro G and Carbon Pro L.
with all the innovation that we brought to market and with our LESCO enhanced efficiency fertilizers in recent years with NOS Plus Poly Plus Opti, we've got new Ride-On products in the Ride-On spreader sprayer category. We've got new products with the Ride-On aeration and renovation product lineup. We've got new active ingredients that have been introduced in the LESCO chemicals category. Across the board, LESCO is a brand that contractors can win with.
The continual development is really another key component of the trust in that brand and the trust that you can have when you're using LESCO products.
Because of the reputation, because of the quality and how it's constructed, people buy the product and they continue to use it for years and years. It's when you find a piece of equipment that lasts for a long period of time that you don't have to replace over and over and over due to the quality of the product itself, then you're willing to make that investment. Price isn't so much an object of conversation.
The LESCO brand trades on the relationships that we have with our supply partners. We pair with those supply partners to be able to bring you a product like Momentum 4Score, to bring you a new product like our LESCO Ride-On spreader sprayers that are coming to the marketplace and new this year. So to rejuvenate the LESCO brand and the equipment, that's where we're innovating. That's where we're getting back to the nuts and bolts of where the LESCO brand began. And so to see us return there is really exciting and a great opportunity.
So this is a very, very exciting time to be with SiteOne and to be associated with the LESCO brand.
The time for LESCO is now because of our history. It's the 60th anniversary of the LESCO brand, and we're relaunching it. We're in a position now where we want to reintroduce the brand to everybody in North America, not just select regions.
With the leadership that we have and the branding and what we're doing and the innovation that we're bringing to the market, we are definitely getting back to that leadership position in the market.
Sometimes the best way to build our business plan on agronomics is to look in the past in order to move forward.
But in 5 years, the sky's the limit. I have no idea where it's going to take, because we're not stopping to think about where we were, it's where we're going to go with it.
LESCO will be the most innovative, reliable, and productive brand in the business for years to come. And the launches coming up are absolutely going to solidify LESCO as an industry leader.
LESCO.
Because that's where we're going, baby. LESCO's going to the moon. There we go.